In this video, you'll learn how to work with Timeflow objects and hierarchies. Whenever an object is added to Timeflow, a Timeflow object component is automatically applied. This is a one-time setup per game object automatically handled and is the basis for all behaviors and required to function with Timeflow. Timeflow objects act as a container for behaviors and channels, managing localized time and the order in which channels are processed. Additional features and settings are covered in later videos, but for now this component can be left collapsed in the inspector with the default settings. If at any time you wish to fully remove an object from Timeflow, please use the context menu by right-clicking on the object and selecting Object Destroy All Timeflow Behaviors. This removes all components related to Timeflow on the selected object, removing it from the view and restoring the object to its original state. Timeflow handles object hierarchies with no limitation or restrictions on how you organize your scenes and is designed to work with any setup. Whenever adding new objects that have children, only the directly selected game objects are added. This means that children and subhierarchies are not automatically displayed in Timeflow unless added intentionally. The key point is that Timeflow only sees and processes objects which have the Timeflow object component. As a general practice, one should only add objects to Timeflow if they are to be animated. That is to prevent unnecessarily adding components and bloating the scene. Therefore, avoid adding large sets of objects, and instead only add the specific objects to be animated. When Timeflow objects do have children, they are displayed hierarchically in the view. Descendants, on the other hand, are only displayed if each parent up the chain has a Timeflow object. Children and channels can be shown and hidden in the display list by clicking the Foldout icon of the parent. If the control key is held while clicking the Foldout arrow, it hides the children but still shows any animated channels directly on the object. This mode is indicated by a small plus icon next to the Foldout arrow. In the next video, we'll discuss how to select and edit objects.